Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Apple. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, August 17, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Apple? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Apple stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 0.71% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Apple, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Apple stock price gained 0.88% on the last trading day, Wednesday, August 17, 2022, rising from $173.03 to $174.55. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.07% from a day low at $172.57 to a day high of $176.15. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 5.07% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 23 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 79 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.82 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $182.94, and the lowest price was $129.04. Right now the price is 4.59%, or $8.39, below 52-week high and 73.2%, or $476.71, below all-time high June 6, 2014 where the price hit $651.26. The stock lies in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $177.02 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 21.55% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 5.38% and 23.27%. The 12-month trend indicates a 0.43% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -25.10% and 5%. This equals a price between $130.74 and $183.27 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Apple stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Apple stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Apple. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Apple stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $170.79 and $155.67. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, June 16, 2022, and so far it has risen 34.21%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 43 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 33 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart. gave a buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 40 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $148.71 and $141.66. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $148.71. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $141.66 and $137.59. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.58 between high and low, or 2.07%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.55%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Apple. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Apple currently has a price-earning ratio of 28.63. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Apple finds first level of support at $148.71, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Apple is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Adams Catherine L., whom have bought and sold 24,300 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -53.581. In total, the insiders bought 705,407 and sold 2,823,061 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $168.69, minus 3.36%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 82 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 42 days ago. Is Apple stock a buy? Apple holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 18th, we expect Apple to open down minus 13 cents and start trading at $174.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.